Hi there and welcome to Website Without Code. This is your third free video training. I have already recorded the video with a proper voiceover. I hope you are going to enjoy it. This video is all about WordPress overview so you can easily install and manage your website using WordPress. So guys, let's start the training. So guys, this module contains 8 steps: post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, and settings. This is your login screen. For accessing the WordPress CMS panel, you have to log into your WordPress website backend. Just type your ID and password and press enter. This is your dashboard. Once you logged in, first thing you will see is the dashboard of WordPress CMS. Here you can see all main options that are required to run your website. Your main menu is on the left over here. Top bar contains some quick links. On top right side, you can see your CMS admin profile. Now let's explore the main menu options. Post. Post is associated with the blog portion of your website. Each article that you publish on your blog is known as blog post. This option has 4 sublinks: all posts, new posts, categories, tag, etc. Let's click on all posts. Here you can see all of your published or drafted blogs. From here you can choose between the options to edit, quick edit, or even delete your previous blogs. Let's click on new, add new. From here you can write and publish a blog post. As you can see, there are multiple options here. You can place your blog title up here, and you can place your blog content here, and you can just copy paste you can use add media to insert the images in your blog post. To save the post, you have 3 options here: save draft, preview, published. Use save draft when your blog post is incomplete and you want to save if to continue with it later. Use preview when you want to see how your blog will looks like in published mode. Use publish when your blog is complete and you are ready to publish it. Let's create your first blog post. So guys, congratulations, you have just published your first blog. And so now let's go and explore further about the categories and how can you use the categories. So we can use categories to divide your blog in different subjects or topics like WordPress, Magento, Drupal, and Joomla. These can be your 4 different categories based upon your different topics and different you can say different categories of your blog. Let's try adding some categories and assign one of them to your previous blog post. From here you can assign the categories to your blog post, and once done you can press the publish button, and from here you can add or you can type some new categories. Now you can see your blog has moved from Drupal to WordPress category. Tags. From here you can set the main feature. From here you can use the main text and define the purpose specific keywords that can relate directly with the blog post. Check the URL of your blog. It's unstructured right now, so let's open the permalink option. It's important to structure your blog properly. Click on custom and add /blog /% post name %. Now your blog is structured properly. Go back to the post and check the URL again. Now all your posts are going to be under the blog structure. This is the right structure for your blog. Click on media. Here you have two options, library and new. Click on library. Here you can see and edit your uploaded images. And here's a add new. Click on add new, and from here you can upload the new images. Let's explore pages. Click on all pages. Here you can see all of your pages. Pages and posts mostly has similar options. Only difference is in their structure. Posts are the part of your blog and the pages are the part of your main website. So here you can see all your published and draft pages. From here you can choose between the options to edit or to delete your previous page. Click on add new option. From here you can create and publish a page. As you can see, there are multiple options here. You can place your page heading and your page content over here, or you can even copy and paste your content from your MS Word file. You can use add media to insert the images. Here you have three options: save draft, preview, publish. You can use save draft when your page is incomplete and you want to save the current work to continue with this work later on. And you can use the preview option when you want to see how your page will looks like in publish mode. And you can use the publish option when your page is complete and you are ready to publish it. Let's try and create your first page. So I'm just going to copy and paste a few dummy content over here, and I'm just going to check the preview of your first page. Click on comments. From here you can view all the comments posted on your blog post by your website visitors. From here you can also update the comment status by choosing between the options pending, approval, spam and trash. Let's go to appearance. In appearance we have multiple options. Let's explore one by one. Theme. Click on themes. Here you can see your current theme and other free available theme of WordPress. To see your current theme, take your cursor to the top left over the home icon. In the drop down you will see a text visit site. Right click and open the link in new tab. This is how your website looks with the current default theme of WordPress. Go back to the WordPress CMS tab and go through the theme options. If you like any of these theme options, then click on the preview button to see how your website will looks like with the new theme. If you want to check more options, then just go back and check more previews. Once you have selected your new theme, then just click on the active button. That theme will be installed within few minutes. Remember, all these themes are free and default theme versions of WordPress. You can also explore and buy more advanced themes from themeforest.net. Click on custom. From here you can customize your theme further with given options. Remember, each theme will have its own way of customization, so There's no default or similar options to look out. Just read the available options one by one and update the area that you want to change. So just go and play around these options and explore the functions of your current themes. Now let's go and check the widgets. Click on widgets. Here you can see a list of available widgets, and on your right you can see few panel which will represent some portions of your website and blog, like footer area and right side area. You can drag and drop the widgets in these panels and see them working on your live website blog. Let's go to your website. This is your footer area, this is your left sidebar. Let's go back to the widgets and place categories in footer and calendar in right sidebar. Now go back to the website and check the footer for categories, and now check the calendar on your right sidebar. Now go ahead and try to place different widgets in different places. This tool will be very helpful when you design your website layout. Now click on menu. From here you can edit or create new menu for your top menu bar and for your footer. Click on create new menu. You can name your menu from here. Once done, you can click on view all to view your all home pages, your all pages, and then you can click on to add menu to add them to your menu. And from here you can add a custom link. From here just paste the URL over here and then just give a name to your link, and then click on add to menu. Once done, click on create menu. It's launched. Now let's go and check the header. Click on header. It will take you to the main customized area. From here you can update the main header of your website. Once done, click on save and publish at the top of this portion. And to go back, click on the cross icon on your left. Let's click on editor. This area contains your WordPress and theme files. If you or your developer needs to do some changes in the core files, then you can do it from here. But right now we don't have to do anything from the coding. We have WordPress CMS. We can do everything we need with just clicks without doing any changes in the codes. Let's click on plugins. Here you can see the list of all installed plugins on your website. You can explore new plugins by clicking on add new button. Here you can search any plugin you want for your website. For example, if you want to install an SEO plugin, in that SEO plugin that can help you to rank your website better, then you have to search SEO in the search bar on top right. Now you can see a list of all SEO plugins in the marketplace. Click and install this SEO plugin for a test run. Once the installation is complete, click on active button. Now this plugin has been installed and activated successfully. To see this plugin in action, go to your post and click on edit. Here you can see now this plugin is guiding you to set up the SEO for your blog post. This SEO plugin will help you to improve your website ranking. Similar way, you can search and install more plugins. Users. Now click on users. From here you can create more user accounts for your team members like bloggers, writers. You can also assign the limit access for each users depending upon their role. You can also edit your own profile details. Just click on the edit button. This toolbar option shows a toolbar on your home page to you when you log into your admin panel. To remove this toolbar from your home page, to remove this toolbar from your home page, view, just go to your admin panel, then uncheck the option, and now you can see once you refresh this page, this this admin bar is gone from there. Now let's go to settings, and let's go to general. Here you can update the website title, text, and email ID. Now let's go to writing. Click on writing. From here you can set up your email server, but if you're using any hosting provider, then it's better to manage the email server part from there. Let's go to reading option. Here you can choose the main front page of your website and the number of blog posts on front or blog page. If your current setup is good, then there's no need to change these settings. Discussions. Click on discussions. From here you can update the settings of your comments. And from media, here you can adjust the default settings of your media. Again, there's no need to change anything from here right now. Permalinks. This is important to structure your blog properly. Click on custom structure, and don't forget to add /blog /% post name %. Alright guys, that's the end of our third and final video. During this training, you have learned about domain, hosting, themes, and WordPress. By combining all this knowledge, now you can easily create and manage a website. So that's the end of our free video training. But hold on guys, it's not over yet. I have a big surprise for you in my upcoming email. Till then, take care and goodbye.